Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon cow. Hey, and welcome back to my series on teaching how to draw cartoons. Today's lesson is going to be on a cartoon cow. This one I've actually used many times before, this character. But before I get into all those fun facts, let's talk about what's going on right now. As you can see, the basic shapes. I have the head, where the mouth is, the body, and the 4 legs. Very simply broken down in these components. And I have the crosshair to show where the eyes and in this case, just the eyes really, going to be going. Makes it a lot easier knowing the direction of the eyes. And the other eye on the far side there, the left, it's going to be a little smaller in perspective wise because it's going around that curve. I have one ear done, getting this big mouth ready with a big smile. There we go. Yes, I had created a whole series on ABC with Noah, and this little character has been in that series in books and on videos and in stickers and tattoos as well. This little cow and many of the other animals all in that same area. So it's a very stylized I created. Well, working on the 2 horns right now. And there's the other one. Get the other side of the ear. There we go. And this is just a simple sketch as I share time and time again. I'm very rough when I'm sketching like this, and if I needed to go back, I might take it to my animation desk or a light box and redraw over and get more details. But from here, I will take it to Illustrator and follow it up with Photoshop with airbrushing this time, not with a watercolor technique. Okay, here we go. Get some of that pattern. Okay, let's work on the back shape of the cow. And sometimes you might need to get an anatomy book on cows or on animals. And that can actually help you know the structure, how it can actually look. In this case, the legs are straight. They're not the actual way. This is a stylized. But the back part of the cow, I try to really create and the visual to give the representation. So model sheets are very helpful. Resources, taking pictures, going to a farm and taking pictures of cows. Used to do that a lot of times when we're doing our animation classes using live model animals. There, you have the back hoof over there. All right, so let's get the tail going. A little crooked bent tail. Match the same direction each time. There we go. And the other side. Okay. All right, that looked good. Let's get that little pattern on the top there. Just going to shade in the hoofs a little bit. Well, and on the back side, there we go. And one in on the other side there. And that looking good right now. Sign your name, date it, and another project is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching again. Check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.